In this video, we're building a simple image upload system with Flask. Let's start by setting up a basic Flask app and adding the necessary features to upload and preview images. First, we import a few key modules: render template to render our HTML page, request to handle the file upload, and send from directory to serve the uploaded image back to the browser. We also use the aus module to manage file paths and create an uploads folder where we'll store the images. First, we define a variable called upload folder and assign it the value uploads. This is the folder where we'll store all the files that users upload. Then we update our Flask app's configuration with app.config upload folder. This tells Flask that whenever we save or access files, we should use the uploads folder. Now, before we start uploading files, we need to ensure that the uploads folder actually exists. To do this, we use os.makeDirs upload folder exist OK true. This function will create the uploads folder if it doesn't already exist. The exist OK true part makes sure that the function won't throw an error if the folder is already there. So no matter what, we're ready to save our files. Next, we define the main route / that handles both get and post requests. When we first visit the page, get request, Flask will serve the HTML form where the user can upload a file. But when the form is submitted, post request, the app processes the uploaded file. Inside this route, we check if the request method is post, and if it is, we retrieve the uploaded file with request.files file. This is how we access the file that the user selects in the form. If the user has actually selected a file, we create the full file path where we want to save the uploaded file. We use os.path.join app.config upload folder file.filename to safely join the folder path and the file's name, making sure the path works correctly on any operating system. Then we save the file to that path using file.save file path. Once the file is saved, we set the file name variable to the name of the file so we can pass it to the HTML template and display it on the page. We do this with render template index.html file name equals file name. This will render the page and show the uploaded file's name for preview. Finally, we define another route /upload/file name that allows us to serve the uploaded files. When the user clicks the preview image, this route is triggered. Flask will use send from directory to retrieve the file from the uploads folder and send it to the browser. This ensures that the user can view the image they just uploaded. Now, let's create an .html file for the front end. I'll be using the code I prepared earlier, which you can find on my GitHub page. Be sure to check the video description for the link. On the front end, we create a simple index.html with a file upload form. The user can select an image and upload it. If everything goes well, we display a preview of the uploaded image on the page. When we run the app, Flask will create the uploads folder automatically if it doesn't exist. We can upload an image, see it in the preview, and it gets saved in the folder. We can even upload multiple images. It's all stored and shown as expected. You can check out the full code on GitHub at TurtleCode. It's simple, easy to follow, and a great way to get started with Flask. See you in the next tutorial.